Welcome to techivy.com, your solution providers. This is Abhishek, and today we're going to be creating web galleries in Lightroom. So one of the important features in Adobe Lightroom is that we can easily create web galleries and actually publish them on a web page. So actually Lightroom does all the work for us, and we can simply create a web gallery of pictures in our Lightroom from a collection right over here. And then for example, I've selected a collection called Best of Tour, and now I'm gonna simply go to the web portal over here, and from this portal I can simply create a web page containing these pictures and share this link to anyone that I want. So this is a quick and handy tool that we can use. So in the right panel over here, as you can see, the first thing we have is layout style, and actually I'm going to select grid gallery over here. And in the left panel over here, as you can see, we have various types of template of grid views. We can select and apply anyone that we want, but for now just let's select grid gallery by default. So moving on, the first thing that we can do to our gallery is adding some information to it. As you can see, the gallery title is Lightroom Gallery. We can change it to whatever the title that we want, and we can add further details. And this gives the Lightroom information about the author and other information. As you can see, this also provides a hyperlink to the website of the author. Now moving on to the color palette, we can actually design the background color that we want, and I think I'm gonna choose some black or grayish hue so that we get a good contrast between the picture and the image. We can also change the text color, and I think we should make it a little more white because our background is actually a little black. Moving on to the appearance over here, we can change the common settings. If we want our thumbnail size to be medium, we can select that and change all the other sizing and other preferences of the page. We can also have show our header file or hide it by checking or unchecking this box. Now one of the most important settings is fixing the output settings, because this controls the quality and image size and other important information about our picture. So for web gallery, I think we should select something like 70 or less than that in quality, so that we still show a pretty good picture in our web gallery, but just don't expose our original image and other presets with it. And for metadata, we should select copyright only, so that our metadata and personal information of the picture is saved and secured. And we can include a watermark if we want, but for now I'm just gonna uncheck it. And we can also sharpen our image and select it to be standard. This just gives our image a fine texture on the web page. We can get all these images in output folder if we want, but I'm gonna uncheck that for now. Now when we are done with all these settings, as always, we can simply go to the template browser over here and click plus and create a template for all these settings if we want to. Name it anything that we want and just click create, so that if we want to publish another web page, web gallery of images, then we can simply apply these settings to any time through this template. Now to view a sample of this gallery, what it's going to look like, we can simply click here on view and preview in browser, and on clicking that, Lightroom is actually gonna build this preview of web photo gallery and take us to our browser to show how anyone with this gallery actually will see on a web page. The Lightroom actually just creates a web page, designs a unique web page for us with all the information that we have entered here, in case we want to have a professional page of artist or a group or a company. And here it is, as you can see, according to our unique preferences and settings, the Lightroom actually creates a web page for us, and we can select the full screen mode over here, and this just simply gives us our full screen mode. As you can see, this is our heading and other information about the author, and by clicking here we can simply visit the website of the author and other information. And furthermore, we can click on an image that we want to view in up close, and we can browse it from here or the keyboard. And as you can see, this just simply makes viewing a much better and much greater experience for any viewer. Back to the Lightroom. Here we can see if we want to save this web gallery for us, we can simply click here and name this gallery anything that we want. And click on create, making sure that the location is inside the best of tour collection. Now when we are done with creating our web gallery, we can simply click on export or upload to upload this file to a web page that we want and according to our desires. So that was creating web galleries in Lightroom. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.